Hey guys, let's play this game. Easy mode on. Wait, no, not first person. Easy mode. Yay. Okay, hi guys. We're gonna be testing out this dollhouse game. And it's pretty good graphics. Like, Okay, so guys, make sure to like and subscribe before we start. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's play now, guys. Jump! Yay! Arrows? Cool. More arrows. Oh, an apple or a pumpkin. I don't know. Checkpoint. That checkpoint genuinely scared me. Candy. Yes. Okay, let's get into the dollhouse. Now in here, we'll get the candy. Oh, pumpkin or apple. Let's go down. Whee! Checkpoint again. Okay, why is she jumping? That's okay. Let's do it. I got read it. Okay, just do the obby then. Jump, jump, jump. This is the way to Darling's dollhouse. That doesn't look safe. Okay, whoa. Yes, this is a big W. I'm gonna go. Ooh. Okay, guys, let's pretend that didn't happen. Skip. Oh, cause okay. It's okay now. Oops, my pencil case fell. Okay, jump, jump, and jump. Oh, pumpkin again, or apple. I'll just call it pumpkin. Let's go down. Bro, why does the checkpoints always scare me? Okay, let's go. Oh, present for me. Thank you. Okay, like, ow! My feet hurt. I'm guys, sorry about my lag. Let's go up this giant spoon. Up this other giant spoon. Okay, go on these toys. Let's jump down. Whee! Ooh, donut. Yummy. Candy. Okay. Darling's dollhouse. Let's get past these lollipops. Yay. Okay, and then these Swiss rolls, I think. Then more lollipops. Okay, more Swiss rolls. Oh, pumpkin. Guys, sorry about my lag. Okay, bigger lollipops. Then let's get past the Swiss rolls. More lollipops. I like green apple lollipop flavored apples. Oh wait, no. I like green apple flavored lollipops. Oh wait, this is her house again, but she's here. Okay. Let's try to see her. Wait, no. No, bro, just look at her. Wait. Let's go down. Wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, go down. Oh. Darling's hide and seek game. Find 3 buttons to open the door. Okay. Okay, guys. Oh, let's press this button. Okay. Oh, what happened? Oh. Why the hell do you have lollipops stuck in it? The hell? I'm stupid. I'm idiot. Bruh. Why did I open the button? That's tight. Yeah, dude, she's there. I'm just gonna hide. Come close, please. You scared me, dude.
Kaya kailangan din natin gumawa ng programa, turuan ang ating mga kabataan. Huwag lang matatamis at kinakain.
Let's go down and follow her a little more. Oh, she's got her hands. Oh, there's a button there. I'm gonna go back up. Kinda scared.
At ngayon, pati ang gastusin pagkatapos ng transplant, tinaasa na rin para sa mga gamot at laboratorio, pati mga tulong, mga katanggapin at benepisyo sa ilalim nito. Layo nito bigay ng mga dialysis na magpa-transplant. Pwede naman.
Why does she just flap her hair and she doesn't even chase me?
Takot magpa-transplant. Ito
Oh,
po
candy.
programang ginawa.
And then button.
Front to end.
So what's in here? I'm glad she went there. Let's look for buttons. Where's button? No button. Where the hell am I going? Please don't get close to me. Close to me. Close to me. Oh, button. That's the last one. Okay, let's go. Yay. We escaped her hide and seek. Wait, come. Come here, friend. Wait. Why can't you get me? Wait lang, nagre-record lang ako. Aw, my full friend. Sorry, but I have to leave you alone. Sorry. You collect the candy, fall down. Let's get through this circus, be safe. It's like carnival, not gonna lie. Oh, let's get down here. Then we have to get closer to the beach because it's too much. Candy! Let's get down. Checkpoint. Yay. Wait, are these moon slaves? Hi guys, I've got to go. Hello, bye. Bye guys. See you and make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, see you. I'm done.